What day is it?
Disney Day!
Except not for who, Landon?
Daddy.
Well, it's work day.
Daddy has
It's
to
work day.
work all weekend. It's our first mommy-daughter Disney trip since Danilo Cavalcante. In like a year and a half. Who's excited?
Me!
Who's excited, Daddy?
Hey.
You're excited for us. What are you most looking forward to, Landon?
Water park.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good
And
thing.
the crew.
And the cruise.
Those are both good things.
So the itinerary is we are headed to the airport, flying from Philly to Orlando. Bruno will be picking us up. I wasn't sure where to stay for the night before the cruise. I was thinking like the Hyatt at the airport I was gonna try, maybe a hotel near Port Canaveral. And then I was like, duh, Disney is offering free water parks on day of arrival. And we lucked out because it's 48 in Pennsylvania. It's gonna be 81 when we get there in Orlando.
I love you.
Orlando. So, and so I just picked the cheapest hotel. I think it was like $150 or $160 for All-Star Sports. We're staying at a sports one. I don't think Landon's ever stayed there. Phil definitely never. Have you ever stayed at All-Star or Pop?
No, it's not up to my standards.
Oh gosh. And then tomorrow we get on the Disney Wish, and we did a guaranteed stateroom, and we got a great stateroom.
Guess what?
And we're gonna do, what are we doing at Castaway, Landon?
Can I tell you something first?
Sure.
I figured out how to say pirate in Spanish.
Piratas?
Yep, it's piratas.
I don't know how you pronounce
Turtle
it.
is tortuga. And house is casa.
Good job.
And-
We're snorkeling, and we are feeding stingrays, which I'm really excited for. And my sister's, it's a 3-night cruise, and my sister's picking us up on Monday. And we're doing another water park day, since as we arrive at Pop Century, it's included, with my sister and niece, Tate, and then an Epcot day, and then we come home. So, it's spring break for Landon. I don't know if I said
Daddy?
that. She has 10 days off of school. Oh, you have to do the conference by yourself tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah, you gotta make sure I have that.
All right.
Mama.
Tomorrow's conference, but we'll be on a...
Abbreviated schedule.
Bruno is picking us up from the airport, but I decided to try the shuttle this time. So the Disney shuttle. I thought it was a good idea because it's like $45 a person. It's just the two of us, and they pick up our luggage and it shows up in our room, which is really nice. And as soon as you get there, they allow you to board, so you don't have to worry about a boarding time. So I get an email from Disney yesterday, and it's like, put your luggage right inside the room, and pickup starts at 7 a.m. So someone's going to be just opening our door at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning and taking our luggage. I don't know what's going on. But we have to be down there at 10 a.m. and then the bus takes us at 10:30. So we got that email. So we're going to Blizzard Beach today. Are we going to miss Daddy? Yeah, we're going to miss Daddy. I'll get internet so we can call him.
And also
Please text.
I don't think
Pictures.
call, email,
Text pictures.
text, and all that. What, Landon?
I want to call Zoe. I promised her I'd call her.
Okay. Off we go.
Big promise to make from a ship.
I know.
Lucky.
Okay, Landon, you have to be careful. There's a lot of people, okay? Landon, thanks for being so helpful.
What did I
We're going to TSA pre-check. You helped with everything. You're just a good helper.
I didn't do anything.
You are amazing.
If
You're an amazing travel companion. We'll go to the Admiral's Club. Here we go to the lounge for some muffins. It's good to be back on a flight, isn't it? It's been a while. Oh, they're doing renovations. Muffin number 2.
Having a muffin. Has sugar on top.
It does.
Mm-hmm.
Eat a bunch so you're not hungry on the plane.
Uh-huh.
It's Disney Day.
Aw, thanks.
You can erase it. Does it erase?
Nope.
Not very good. Ah!
nut, right? You know? Look at all those lights.
Whoa, Landon.
Christmas.
We need a button.
Use of all large electronic devices, including laptop computer.
This is gonna be amazing. Bye.
Are we gonna go over Daddy's work?
I like the takeoff.
It's enough. It's like half the back. Look at it. It's all the air from the pressure from the plate. I'm afraid to open it.
Well, this one I know everybody died. If you're
We're at Express Pickup. Wow, look at you. You're so strong. Got a booster.
Why don't they have a screen in the back row?
I don't know. You have a booster and a screen. Can you hand me your bucket? We are in Disney in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Disney World. All-Star Sports. You tired?
Star on it.
Because it's an all-star like you.
What's that hotel over there?
I don't know. Landon, we're here. We're at our Disney hotel. No, really? It's like a surf wave, a shark over there. I think we're over here. I love the lifeguard stand. So cool how it's like a pier and a shark fin and the fishies. I paid for a preferred room, so we're pretty close to the pool and the food court. Here it is. We're the All-Star. Oh, goodness. Awesome little star there. That's cute. And magic. We're home. The Laws family. What? Oh, and Alexa. As soon as we landed, our room was ready. So I'm going to do a quick tour because I got to get our bathing suits on for the water park. So we have a cooler. Yummy Joffrey's coffee, some little International Delight, some tea, Earl Grey, green tea, some sugar, some cups, a Cuisinart. Welcome, Laws family. Oh, that's interesting. Different color. And your Bible. Bible safe, extra pillows. This is a pull down bed with art behind it. Landon's desk. Telephone numbers. Love the art. We call this the lounge fly holder. Small little closet. This is why it's perfect for just a pre-cruise night. Bar soap, no pump soap. Ironing board, hair dryer, pretty green, pretty tiles. Ooh, that's new. Last time we were here, they didn't have this. A little rain shower, bathing suit dryer, which we'll need tonight. The throne. That's pretty much it. Right, ready to get dressed for the water park? It is like 80 degrees out. We are so excited. I've not been to Blizzard Beach in like 20 years or something insane like that. Landon found Hey Disney. So we're gonna get a little bit unpacked and organized, and the reason why I chose sports is because I was either this or Coronado, because Blizzard Beach is like right next door, so it should be a short bus ride. I think it closes at 6. It's 1:30. Novella Transportation, I think it's $150 from the airport to here, and they provide a booster seat, so check them out below. Usually Bruno drives us, but he was running behind, so Angel, she was amazing, brought us to All-Star Sports, and they're gonna pick us up on the way home too from Pop. Landon is listening to a Peter Pan story. So, we're gonna get changed before, after. We're all ready. So we're headed out to Blizzard Beach. So excited. I got this new waterproof fanny pack. So I'm just gonna take my phone. We already lotioned up. And both of our magic bands. She wouldn't wear her hat, but I put on lots of sunscreen. Headed out to Blizzard Beach. It's a playground in a jungle.
Can I walk over?
Yeah, we're gonna walk through. We're gonna stop and get water, and then we're gonna go catch the bus.
Aw, but can't we just walk to it?
No. You're gonna what? Alright, let's get some water. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
They have the worst. Do you want sparkling water or regular water? Okay. The worst options for water. Aw, Sports Goofy. The slopes are open.
But why is it raining on snow?
I don't know. You should have worn your hat, baby. Blizzard Beach Water Park. Ski on the slopes, Landon. Oh, this is so cute. Bye now. Sleigh later. Sunny sled. That's cute. Oh, wait, we have to get a towel.
Why?
Oh my god. Or is that Goofy? It is a dinosaur. I don't understand the theme of this yet.
Look, icicle.
Pretty though. Where? Oh, cool. Yeah. That must be food. That's the slide that gives you the wedgie.
Wait, so you bounce off it?
No, it makes it look like that. Isn't that funny? All right, what do you think? Wave pool or just walk around and find something?
I'm gonna see what the wave pool looks like.
Okay. It says for kids under 4 feet. All right, let's go to a different.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Looks super lazy. I think so. Is this it?
I guess look around.
No, come back. Come back. This is fun. Are you going to go under the mittens? That's so cute. Ice skater. I'll wait for you, I promise. Oh no. What do you think, Landon? That was fun, wasn't
I
it?
know riding was a long, lazy river.
It was. Let's go see what else we can get up to. Wow. Wow.
Stop!
Can you reach it? Do you want to crawl or you want to try it? The lazy river was so much fun. Landon wants to try the zip line. I think there's 0% chance that she's gonna do this. She's gonna bail. It's so violent. But one tip I want to tell you, when you walk in, the towels are right there. All you have to do is be like, they ask you what resort you're staying at. So you can lie. All right, will she do it? And how bad will it be? Do it, girl! You got it! You got it! Do it! Do it! Grab it! Do it, Landon! Come on! Do it! You can do it!
All right, go ahead. Where are you
these chips. Oh gosh! I promise I'll do it. Oh my god. Alright, pinky promise. Let's do it. Hold on tight. If you want to go all the way in the deep end, I think you need a life vest.
No, I want to.
What? It's cold. It's 5 o'clock. It closes the hour. It's gotten so cold. And I think a rain is coming. Got dark. That's good hot cocoa, isn't it? They're so cold. What movie do you want to watch? Can we watch Moana 2? What did you think of Blizzard Beach?
It was amazing. I recommend that you do the zip line. It's the best.
You were awesome. She did it. The third time was the charm. We got a bunch of food. We're going to watch movies, and I got some stuff for breakfast tomorrow because it's going to be an early one, getting the bag ready at 7. And then got Super Kitties, pizza, salad, veggies for the morning, cereal, yogurt, and cuties. Getting everything I need for tomorrow morning. So we have our Magic Band Plus, our luggage tags, which I'm going to put on right now, port arrival form, passports, fun magnets. We made these. We made the Disney Cruise ice cream counter on a 3D printer, and all of our cruise magnets. It's our day bag on the cruise. Landon's watching Into the Woods. I've never seen it. I was like, you're watching that? I would have liked to see it. I just wanted to give you some tips about Blizzard Beach. We've been up since 6 a.m. So, on your travel day, I think we were there, around 2 and left at 5. I think 3 hours is plenty. She is very tired. We're just going to hang out in the room tonight, take a bath, get everything organized and ready. I have the one bag set up so I wasn't going to touch it for these. I call them 24-hour bags. The night before to getting on the ship, I call it my 24-hour bags because it's like lots of transitions, like your flight, your hotel, whatever you're doing that day, at nighttime, and then getting everything ready to board the ship, like your port arrival form, all that stuff. So the one bag, nothing's in it that we need for today or tomorrow. So that one I will definitely sit for the 7 a.m. That's so weird. Someone's gonna come in our room. Hopefully they knock. I guess I'll put the lock on. So for the 7 a.m. and then I still have like my toiletry bags and makeup bag that I'll need tomorrow past 7 a.m. So if they come that early, then I will just take the other bag with me to the Disney Cruise Bus. But as far as, like I said, the Blizzard Beach, 3 hours was enough. We left at 5 and it closed at 6, and the temperature, there were storm clouds coming and it started sprinkling and the temperature was dropping because I think it went from 80 and it goes down to 55 tonight. So we came in. I love the theming. I loved how beautiful it was. We did the lazy river. I love a lazy river. So we did the whole loop on the lazy river. I think we both could have done it again, but we wanted to go see more things because it was our first time there. Well, my first time in a while. And then they had a little frozen area, but you had to be under 4 feet. So it was for toddlers, tots. So we didn't even go in there because I was like, Landon, you're over 4 feet now. You can't go in there. But right next to that, where they had the zip line area, I think it was something about ski school or something. Perfect for a 6-year-old, 7-year-old, 8-year-old. Medium to about medium-sized slides, this cool iceberg thing, which she couldn't do. You had to hold onto a net and walk it. But she crawled across. A nice little pool. Oh, what's nice? The lazy river was 2 feet, 6 inches, I think. So not bad at all. My fanny pack that I got, perfect. I will link it below if I have it. I think it was an Instagram ad. I was like, I'm going to a water park and a cruise as a mom by myself. No one to watch my stuff, so that will be perfect. So love the fanny pack, love the little area for her. We hadn't eaten lunch, so we grabbed a pretzel to share. Walking over to the wave pool. The wave pool was really cool. It's a lot. She's a good swimmer, but it's a lot has like a little bit of an undertow pool. So I had to go in with her, and it was getting cold, and I'm a wuss with cold water. So I went in with her and just stayed with her, and then I was like, okay, it's time to go. Like the storm clouds are rolling in, and she was really cold on the bus. So yeah, I would say don't plan a long day at the water parks if you have the free water park, but like I don't know what we paid for this. I paid for a preferred room, so we would be close because I've been not too happy with the All-Stars not preferred room. It's quite the hike with luggage. And but yeah, swimming takes it out of, she was go, go, go. So swimming takes it out of you. And I just wouldn't do too much. So we ate dinner. We're going to clean up, take baths, go to bed early. And tomorrow we are boarding the Disney Wish for our second time. The first time I loved it. I think my biggest complaint was the kids' bed was so hard. So we don't have to worry about this trip. It's just her and I in the queen bed. So thanks for watching, guys, and check out our boarding day cruise. I'm tired.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.